Want to connect your Epson printer to your Mac? If you're not sure how to do it, don't worry, you're in the right place. This video will show you exactly how to set it up. Now, I'm using the Epson printer with an LCD panel for this tutorial. So, if you have a different Epson model, feel free to call our expert team, and they can help you out with your specific printer. But most Epson printers work pretty much the same way. So, this should help you get the job done. Let's get started and have your Mac and Epson printer talking to each other in just a few minutes.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Start by turning on your Epson printer and then go to its control panel. Use the arrow buttons to scroll right until you find Settings. Once you see it, press OK to open it. Now you're in the Settings menu. Look for Network Settings and use the arrow buttons to get there. When you find it, hit OK. Next up, find the Wi-Fi setup option. You'll see it in the menu. Just navigate to it and press OK. On the next screen, you'll see a couple of options. Pick the Wi-Fi option because it's the easiest way to connect. You'll see another confirmation screen. Go ahead and press OK to keep moving forward. Now, you'll see the Wi-Fi setup wizard option. Press OK one more time to start the actual Wi-Fi connection process. After a moment, your printer will show you a list of Wi-Fi network it can see. Look through the list and find your Wi-Fi network name. Once you spot it, select it and press OK. The printer will now ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password. Type it in carefully. Make sure you get it right. Once you've entered it, press OK and your printer will connect to Wi-Fi. Pretty cool, right? Now that your Epson printer is connected to Wi-Fi, we need to add it to your Mac so you can actually print from your computer. Let me show you how to do that. On your MacBook, open System Preferences. You can do this by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner and selecting System Preferences, or by searching it on the spotlight. Once System Preferences is open, find and click on Printers and Scanners. This is where you add printers to your Mac. You'll see a list of printers that are already set up. To add your Epson printer, look for the plus icon and click it. The button lets you add a printer. Your Mac will now search for printers on your network. In a moment, you should see your Epson printer show up on the screen. When it does, click the Add button and the connection will be complete. Your Epson printer is now ready to use with your Mac.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.